So you just got one of these and you're wondering, bro, where's the string to make it spin? So the string is actually inside. If you shake it, what you're gonna find inside is this string, all right? And a hoop and a hook. So first we take the string, as you can see it's tied. Just unwind it, you know, unwind it. See that hole right there? You're gonna put that string in there. I'm just gonna lick it and then I'm gonna put it inside. Okay, now tie a knot. Boom. There you are. That's not gonna fall off, right? The other side, what you're going to do is you're going to put the string inside. Now you have this. Now with this, you take this, you wrap it around, put the star in between your fingers like this, grab it like this, and as you're throwing it, keep it straight and then pull the string a little bit, okay? I'm gonna do it in slow motion so you kind of see how it spins.